Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, I am good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. And, ma'am, first of all, thank you very much to come on the podcast and to accept our invitation, take out the time for us.
For sure.
So, ma'am, to begin with, could you please introduce yourself and share a little bit about your journey with us?
Yes, for sure. So, hello, my name is Rushali, and I am a Spanish language trainer in Henry Harvin Education. I have done my graduation from Delhi University. Also, I have learned Spanish till B2 level from Instituto Cervantes and working in Spanish domain from last few years and working as a Spanish teacher from last 2 years. And yeah, I am really enjoying teaching students Spanish. It is a very nice language. So yeah, I love it.
So, like, when you have decided that you want to learn this language, you want to be a trainer or you want to be a teacher and gonna teach or train to the students for this.
Yeah, like when I left my college, then I started learning Spanish. And when I was learning Spanish, so I just I was very curious to teach students as well Spanish. So that's
Okay.
all.
You have connected both the things then.
Yes, yes.
Amazing, amazing. So, ma'am, like many learners, including the working professionals as well and students as well, they are very much excited regarding, learning this language, especially Spanish. But one
Yes.
of the major concern of learners that what is the career opportunities they're gonna get after, learning this language, or is there any career scope in India and abroad, of course.
Yes, yes, of course. Like Spanish can open doors to careers in multinational companies, customer support, and translation, interpretation, education, tourism, and many more career opportunities are there in the Spanish field.
Okay, so can you just address any top three professions that the learners or students should target while they learn this language? Because of course there should be some target so that they'll get a perfect roadmap ki what exactly they need to do for this.
Yeah, so the first one is translator. Like there are very scope of translator, and the second one is interpreter, and the third one is customer support. Like these three are the very main and very important roles in India for the career.
Okay, for the
Yes.
career growth as well and earning as well, right?
Yes, yes, for the earning as well. Like it helps you to connect with people from different countries and makes traveling much more enjoyable.
Okay, okay, that there are so many of amazing of languages are there. There's Korean language, Mandarin language, Japanese language, right? So why should one choose Spanish over other languages? Like what is the different or the most, beneficial thing Spanish can provide to the learner?
Yeah, like every language has its own value, but Spanish is a great choice because it's widely spoken and relatively easy to learn and highly useful in today's global job market. It offers a great balance of career opportunities and cultural exposure. So yes, Spanish is very easy to learn also, and
Okay, so
we also
can we connect it with our language like Hindi or
yes,
English or
yes,
anything? Is there
yes.
any
It's very
similarity?
similar to Hindi and English, so it's very easy to learn and speak as well as
Okay,
compared to
okay.
other languages.
Okay, that's amazing. If a learner wants to learn something easy peasy language with a good career scope, so he or she can go for it, right?
Yes, yes, for sure, without
Okay.
any thinking.
What's your personal take for this language? Like, what do you personally like about this language?
So, what I love most about this language is Spanish is very expressive and vibrant, and I also enjoy learning about the different culture connected to the language. And as a trainer, the most rewarding part is seeing my students become confident Spanish speakers.
Yes,
So, yes, I
yes.
love Spanish language very much.
Okay, okay, ma'am. That's all. And thank you very much to
Thank you
take out
so
the
much.
time for us, provide your insights from your experience. I hope this conversation will gonna help the students. That's all, ma'am. Thank you very much.